When you search in search engines, you might find your name and your Facebook. But what if you want to keep it private and you do not want your Facebook profile to appear in any search engine? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook tips like this. Without further ado, let me show you how you can remove your Facebook profile from search engines. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your Facebook app. Click on the top left, the three lines, the burger icon. Then you scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Click on settings and then you scroll down. You should be able to see audience and visibility. So you can see how people can find and contact you. Click on that. So you can see here, do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile? Search engine like Bing or Google. So when you turn this off, they won't be able to search for you through search engine. So it really depends on how you want it. If you want to be private, you can turn it off. But for me, I want to turn it on because I want people to find me. So it really depends on how you want to do it. So once you click on, you can remove your profile from external search engine. So that's how you can do it. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.